everyone, welcome back to Car Flair. Today we're diving into something super exciting, Suzuki's 2025 motorhome camper truck. It's a blend of utility, comfort, and adventure-ready design, all packed into a compact. If you've been dreaming of hitting the open road without losing the comfort of home, Suzuki might just have your answer. Let's start with the basics. This camper truck is built on Suzuki's tried-and-true lightweight truck platform, making it nimble and easy to handle, especially compared to larger RVs. Suzuki has kept the exterior sleek and minimalistic, ideal for tight city streets or narrow mountain roads. And yet, despite its compact size, it manages to maximize space inside, offering a cozy home away from home. About the interior, Suzuki has really packed in some great features. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice how cleverly designed the layout is. They've used every inch to offer functional spaces, with a modular setup that allows you to easily switch between seating, sleeping, and dining configurations. The camper comfortably fits 2 adults, making it ideal for couples or solo travel. There's even storage for essentials, so you're not sacrificing space for your gear or gadgets. Suzuki also focused on practicality and energy efficiency. The camper is equipped with solar panels on the roof, allowing you to charge small electronics and keep the lights on without needing a power source. Plus, the built-in kitchenette includes a small fridge and induction cooktop, letting you cook your meals on the go. Another great touch is its off-road capability. With raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and Suzuki's dependable 4-wheel drive, this camper truck is designed to handle light off-roading. It's perfect for weekend getaways to places where standard RVs might struggle. So the ground clearance and sturdy design mean you can feel confident exploring beyond the main roads. Safety and tech are also well covered. You get all the modern conveniences like a touchscreen infotainment system, navigation, and even a rear-view camera for easy parking. For those longer journeys, you'll appreciate the adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, which make driving long distances a lot more comfortable. And let's talk about the engine. Suzuki has given this camper truck an efficient yet powerful engine option, balancing fuel economy with the torque you need for those hill climbs or rougher terrains. It's not going to guzzle gas like bigger rigs, which means more miles per adventure. To wrap it up, Suzuki's 2025 camper truck is an exciting option for those who want to explore without the bulk of a traditional RV. It's compact, eco-friendly, and surprisingly comfortable, making it a great choice for modern nomads. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you'd hit the road with one of these. Thanks for watching Car Flair, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights.